Hello everyone, this is the last video of examination tip part. See, whenever you are writing the answer, whenever you are attempting the question in APM paper, since now examiner is very is wants you to develop your answer in a proper manner, so it's really very important for you to communicate it accordingly. I'm just presenting you three ways of writing the same answer. See, this is basically one type of answer which students usually write. Okay, for example, this is a perfect answer, but it has just been written, right? I don't know what is written here. Maybe I'm unable to figure it out that where you have written what. And if you are communicating something at a strategic level, then people don't have much time to read a long report, right? So I don't believe that this is a good idea. Or for example, if you're writing in your paper, then you may develop whatever is coming into your mind. You just need to write it and then you need to sort it out. Sort it out means what? Uh, Now this is a second way of representing the same thing. The original requirement was to identify what are the issues in the report, what are the issues in the report. So initially we have just written everything. In the in the second part, second way of presentation is this: we have identified five problematic areas, and then we explained all problematic areas one by one. So if examiner is checking my answer, and if he's saying, okay, fine, this is a problem, this is a problem, this is a problem, these are the problems, perfect, so probably he don't need to go further and he may give you marks here. Or the best option is to do it like this. For example, I put a heading that, look, this is a problem, and then I wrote one line representing the problem. I wrote the second heading, basic context, that what is the problem in 2 words, and then I wrote it accordingly that what happened. So if examiner wants to read, then he may read, right? So this is very important to do, because a student used to play treasure hunt with the examiner. That he said that the student said that, okay, fine, I have written everything, you just go and figure it out what you need and just give me marks. So this is not a good idea. I'm just giving you another way, just a general recap of how to write an answer. See, answer always look like this: to, from, date, subject, introduction. This is same for all questions, all question number one part, right? And then CSF, then the first requirement, right? Heading of CSF and KPI, and we just presented everything nice, neat, and clean. If you need to put, you may put second heading, subheadings here, right? And there's the second requirement, right? This is the B requirement, sorry. This is the B requirement, second requirement, with along with some headings, few bullet points. And then there is a third requirement, requirement number C, where I put a heading and I wrote, right? So try to build your, try to develop, try to write your answer in such manner, because this is very important. Before ending this video, I would like to highlight one more point which is really very important in APM, and that is justification. Without justification, you cannot pass APM paper. If you are not providing justified answer, for example, if you are saying that, okay, fine, we need to develop some new strategy, we need to move to ABC, we should follow the benchmarking exercise, you should use economic value added, you have to provide justification for all. Or if you are saying that, look, whatever company is doing is perfectly fine, you don't need to change your strategy, then still you have to justify that why you think that this strategy is perfect for the company. You have to either connect it with mission statement, or with whatever industry is doing, whatever means you need to prove, but you have to justify your answer. That is the most important part in APM paper. You cannot pass APM paper without justification, because you cannot give advice, you cannot advise anyone without telling him or her that why this is important for you, why you need to do this, right? So this is basically the last and the most important thing which I always advise students to do in their paper, right? Best of luck to your paper. Thank you.